my friend the lion head. So normally when you see this, most people in America, right, they say it's a dragon, and I would be annoyed. I'll say, no, it's a lion head. It's a lion. Because usually a dragon, they look like a dragon, right? There's a difference between the Western dragon and the Asian dragon. The Asian dragon look like Shenron, if you ever seen from Dragon Ball Z, right? Now this is a lion head dragon where they hold a stick, while this lion is, your two people, one person in the front and the back. So the front is the head, the back is the tail, right? And usually when the Chinese New Year, or same thing as Vietnamese New Year, when people do those stuff like lion dancing, those are the kung fu people, right? Those, they know how to utilize the lion head. So a long time ago, this lion head, right, I wanted to buy it, right, because I did some weird lion head dancing back in trade school or boarding school, whatever. I didn't want to do it, but they say, oh, it's Asian Day or International Asian Day or something. They were making like Asian food. I was like, oh, because I put my idea to that. I was like, yeah, you should do Asian Day, because why not? But so this lion head cost me like $300, and it came with everything. I just wanted to. There's the eye, and the way there's a string, right, to close the lion head. You see that? Let me see. That's right. Scary, right? And then there's a flap, right? There's a flap to control the lion head. See, now you know. It is the lion head. That's right, I carried this into the retail store, and that was a fun experience. So, it's a lion head. Okay? Don't get it messed up. Lion head.